Shopping today is much more than buying. It is an experience itself. Were you once a student, or probably you are a student now? Have you ever experienced the stress imposed on students as a result of various internal expectations, that is, good academic performance, and external expectations placed upon their shoulders? In the year 2017, Ejagi Chukwuka, who was a 200 level student of University of Nigeria in Nsukka, was involved in a fatal accident along Onitsha-Enugu Expressway on his way back to school after shopping and getting other items needed for school in Onitsha. This is really a sad development. Eze Daniel is a 300 level student of Federal University of Technology, Owerri, who missed his test on traveling out of school to get some foodstuffs and other necessary items. They couldn't make it back on time because he was trapped by traffic. This has always been a pitiable case of many undergraduates out there. And these are not the only ones, but two out of the many million demerits of traveling out of school and sometimes to other states for shopping purposes, which at the same time exposes Nigerian students to robbery and accidents on our major roads. And the worst part of it is that this also results to poor academic performance. With all these narratives, my experience as a student and a software developer, and the fact that online shopping has shown to provide more satisfaction to modern consumers seeking convenience and speed, it therefore becomes imperative that I build a user-friendly and seamless e-commerce mobile app that addresses all these issues. My name is Osama Chinechelem David, the co-founder and CEO Shopco Online Shopping Mall, and working with me as a team are Uzoma Vie, a certified social media manager and a copywriter, and Wakwe Ikechu, an expert in the field of graphics, and also our sales manager. Shopco is an online shopping company that helps Nigerian students easily shop best quality items at best prices from the comfort of their lodges, hostels, lecture halls, anywhere within the school, and always get these items delivered within 1 to 3 days after ordering them through our website and user-friendly e-commerce mobile app currently on Play Store.
According to a small and medium enterprise development agency of Nigeria, the number of online buyers are increasing rapidly every day, and the growth in technology offers so many opportunities for sellers to reach out to more potential customers through an easier, faster, and economical way. And Shopco has made this possible for these distributors and sellers who may lack the expertise and the system to reach out to these customers online.
Our market size, total available market, over 660 million students in Africa. Serviceable addressable market, 1.7 million undergraduates and 234,000 postgraduate students in Nigeria. Serviceable obtainable markets, over 22,000 students, academic and non-academic staff in Federal University of Technology, Owerri. Our revenue streams are as follows. Subscription, that is fixed price. This is a fixed monthly subscription paid by registered sellers in our company to host their products on our platforms, that is our mobile app and websites. Apart from all this, Shopco also gets involved in high-end logistics parts as well, where we generate revenue from on-demand delivery services and corporate delivery services for individuals and companies. Unlike every other e-commerce platform and logistics company out there, Shopco is so unique with its 1 to 3 days of delivery, user-friendly mobile app. With Ugumba Enterprise Challenge grants, we'll be able to address mobility challenges, scale, and extend this solution to other Nigerian higher institutions, and thereby creating source of income for undergraduates who will be our representatives or agents in those institutions, and solving United Nations Sustainable Development Goals 1, 3, and 8.